So I'll be sharing a session how to log errors on Acquia Dev Desktop. Right now, this particular tool is provided by Acquia, so it can manage a lot of dependencies on your system. Like uh, like you do not need to put extra configuration on your server. I mean, this is useful for all kind of people who are using Acquia Dev Desktop, and the main challenges people face that they are not able to log the errors. So this is my first video in which I will tell how to log errors using Acquia Dev Desktop in your project, in your Drupal project. So let me start with this one. This is our Drupal project which we have created. Now our version is PHP 5.530. Okay, now what I need to do, I'm going to uh, the place where I have installed Acquia Dev Desktop. Then after that I will go to here and I'll go to simply here PHP 5.5. Then I'll need to go INI file. So in this INI file, first of all, what I need to do, I need to enable the setting of error log. So when you will find this line error log, so this will be here. So this is reference to Mac. So what you need to do, you need to provide here the unit. Previously it will be look like this, like it will be disabled. Then you need to, what you need to do, you need to enable this one and you need to provide the complete path of PHP error log file. After that, after saving this one, what will happen, uh, whenever your module is running, so after doing this one, you need to start your Apache. So you need to stop it, then start it, then let it start. Then after starting, then what you need to do, this is the open file. Okay, so let me delete it. So I have given the path till here, so let me delete this file. Okay, so now error log is enabled. So now we are going to, this is the Apache log file. So if you do not enable this particular error log in your PHP respective version, so what will happen in this error log file, Apache will put error log. So what happens that your error log, whatever in design format, you will not be able to get. Okay, so now we test that whether our error logging is happening or not happening. So what we need to go, we need to go to some menu callback, and then we need to check whether error log is really happening or not. So what I'm going to do, this is simply some function, some table function which I am just calling. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm just error logging here. Okay, so let me start it. Error logging starts here. Okay, so now error log. So in PHP you just need to write print underscore r header and true you need to pass. This is necessary for passing the error log. So what will happen, whenever you will enable this particular error log in your Acquia Dev Desktop respective to PHP version, so it will create this particular file in your respective path, and it will note any kind of error log in this particular file, that is Apache log file. And this particular, whenever you will access this page, so this will be logged in this particular error log file which we given. Okay, so let me go to here and enable this particular thing. So custom table, so it will take, firstly if file is not there, it will take some time. So let's go to that particular path. Okay, now our file has been created by PHP, and it is in good format. So let me just, so this is, you can see here. So this is how we do error logging in Acquia Dev Desktop. So you can enable your error logging. So let me tell you the conclusion. The conclusion is you need to go to your respective version, whichever you are using in Acquia Desktop, and this is my PHP 5.5 version. And according to version, you need to go to PHP ini file. There you need to enable error log, and after enabling the error log, then wherever your Drupal is running, you can error log easily. So this is the summary, and this is very useful when we are developing such kind of Drupal project, because normally we see error in our watchdog table or in that table. So avoiding those things or debugging effectively, it can be a very easy tool for all of us, for all developers or for beginners, and this is it. So thank you very much. Have a good day.